Hi, I'm Tim. I was asked to give a testimonial for Dr. Debbie, and I guess the best thing for me to say is why I came here. So I came to Dr. Debbie because I had a problem with some amalgams in the back of my mouth. And a lot of people are concerned today that they might leach and you get mercury in your body. I didn't want that. And I also had a bite problem where a lesser educated dentist with even less experience made a mistake some years ago and messed up my bite. So I needed someone who was a higher caliber, and Dr. Debbie being a prosthodontist, meaning she has much more education than a regular general dentist, I thought, okay, I'll go with that. So I came to see her. I think the best thing to think about dentistry is that, you know, it's kind of a problem and it takes time and stuff, but it's like maintaining your body. You need to maintain what's worn and what's broken. And of course, your mouth is no different than the rest of your body. So it only makes sense to come to professionals who are the best, who are best educated, and also someone who would, ideally for me, care about you as much as they care about themselves or their own family. And I think that's Dr. Debbie. So, good dental work, it takes time, it takes money, and it takes good professionals. But I think it's really worth it because it pays off, doesn't it? I mean, really, not to be too musical, but in every bite you take and in every smile you make.